Hi, this is Kevin Cook, the heavy equipment guy. We picked up this gem, PC 138 for our rental fleet. Just got it ready, it looks like. Got a number on it already. Got our sticker on it. If you need to rent something like this, give me a holler at 817-733-3799. As you can see in the picture, rubber pads, good looking. Nice. Give me a call at 817-733-3799. Great looking excavator. PC 138 reduced swing. Thank you and God bless.